All right, so here we are to C sharp minor. So this is the 6th of the key of E major, all right? Again, we can play 3 strings at a time, but I'm gonna show you the 4 or 5 string chord, structure with the shapes that I'm showing you. And here is C sharp minor. But even to the left of this, I know y'all are seeing it, for y'all it's to the right, but me looking at it is to the left. I'm barring at the 4th fret, but there's always something to the left of that pivot. Any chords you play, there's something to the left that is a possibility. So even though I'm doing this, you can also do this as well. So here is that chord shape. And even though they're a little bit of a challenge to play, I just want y'all to know what the options are. And plus, it's helping you to learn the fretboard. I showed you one time, but let me just go through it one more time. Yeah, down toward the nut, you got to spread your fingers a little wide on that. So that's it. All right, let me know if you got questions. And this should begin to open your mind up to where these notes fall, and you'll see where even the scales line up on these frets as well. All right, see you on the next one. Let me know if you have questions.